sports. It's in the game.
Is it going to be another golden Champions League final evening for Cristiano Ronaldo? PSG will have their say on that subject. They are the opponents of Juventus here at the Metropolitano in Madrid. And a warm welcome. This is Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined by Lee Dixon. Lee, it has all the makings of something very special.
Well, yeah, very exciting for both sets of players going out to play in the Champions League final. How good does that sound? Wish I was out there, Derek.
No great surprise that Cristiano Ronaldo is the focus of everyone's attention.
Well, absolutely, it was a move that took everybody by surprise, but he's a serial winner. He wanted to challenge himself again, and he's certainly done that in this Juve side.
And the main striker is the unmistakable Cristiano Ronaldo.
I wish I was playing down there, that's for sure. You have to win the ball back early, so there will be a high press following if they were to lose the ball in the opposition half.
Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. Now, that's a really poor challenge. Now, what's the referee going to do about it? Referees like to manage the game just as much as players do, but today it is an early yellow card, and we'll see what effect that has on the match.
Well, it'll have a big effect, especially on the player, and also the defenders around that player that's been booked earlier in the game, because they now know he's walking a tightrope.
Into the box it goes, and he's clear as lines. And here's Khedira. Dybala! A goal for the Bianconeri. Goal for Juventus in the Champions League final.
Well, finals are for heroes. Is that the goal that lifts the trophy? We'll wait and see. Hit the target, tick, power, tick, goal, tick.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. Looking confident with the ball at his feet. Can he get them level? It's gone in! A goal for PSG. Cavani. Now Rabiot. And it's Cavani. It's with Rabiot. Manoeuvring his way forward. Draxler. And the ball is in the net. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo feeds it. Douglas Costa! And Juventus have done it! A goal for them, level pegging. Cristiano Ronaldo. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? Well, an example of a counter-attack that went nowhere. Mbappe with it. He has plenty of support. Ronaldo threading it through. Quadrado. And a chance for him to notch in front. And the old lady in rude health. A goal for Juve.
What a goal that is. It was just a matter of time before it happened. Well, it's not a brilliant goal, but it's a goal. It's in the back of the net. Keeper couldn't do anything about it.
Disappointing for PSG to concede the goal. Now let's see if they can attack with vigour. A very attractive looking move, easy on the eye, but nothing there. Italy's old lady has passed the final test. Juventus are the winners of the UEFA Champions League.
Well, you have to say, fully deserved as well. All those months of toil, the training sessions, etc. The sacrifice, the commitment, the desire, the hunger. The look as well, but the application to put all that into a package and then win this brilliant trophy.
They do set very high standards for themselves, these Juventus players. But this is something they will remember forever. feeling of pride it must give you to be able to say you're part of the team that's the best in Europe League?
Well, you know, these players get paid fortunes, bank accounts are full of money, but it doesn't matter. It's about memories. When you finish your career, you look back at these moments. How many trophies have I won? How many times have I celebrated on a podium with this famous trophy?
Congratulations, you're now in charge of your new FIFA Ultimate Team. When you're ready, let's get onto the pitch and see how they play. And we will help you find currently listed players that you can buy with your coins. Plenty of width for the team to attack into. He has given a penalty. He certainly hasn't ducked the issue at this late stage. Very late on, the referee, well, he's been strong, he's accepted the responsibility and given the penalty kick.
Well, I don't know if the players bought that. He felt a little bit of contact, he went straight down.
Scores from the spot.
He's reliable from 12 yards.